Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, Life Snapshot. Evelyn, Greg and Muttley here from Australia. Thanks for all the so far subscribing and following us. We really do appreciate all that support. Please drop a comment down below if it's your first time dropping by. Maybe consider subscribing. Anyway, we have had this X1 hover for about 6 months now. We use it on and off. It's pretty cool and we thought we'd do a little bit of a review on it. Now, for those who don't know, we live in Australia, so of course we pay pretty much premium dollar for anything electronics that's new or just come out. So we paid about $650, I think, for this little baby, and we use it now and then, and it's really what we like about it is very user friendly. So in front of you, you have the little carry case. And it has a little zipper pocket there for all the stuff to go in, all the wires and stuff like that, and it sits nice and neat and snugly in there. We often take it with us when we go to places, so we haven't had any problems with it. There's the charger. That's the little charger. I'll just close this up. There's a little charger. There's one battery there and there's one without the battery. And you just press that button there and it pretty much tells you how much power you've got. And we've got the hover just charging now. We're going to take it outside and give it a little run, let you guys see it in action. I'm just charging it up now. So far it has been really great. We really enjoyed playing around with this and exploring with it. It's unreal. Okay, so this is its basic functions. Just turn it on here. A little green light comes on. Okay, and then I think you just hold this down. I haven't used it for a while, I've forgotten.
Bird eye.
And it changes.
Custom.
So you got custom. You got a custom setting, and there's an app in the phone, and you can go into custom settings, which is really cool, and control it through the app.
Hover.
So hover mode. Zoom out. I'm about to show you. Follow. What these are all about. Orbit.
Bird eye.
Okay, and then we're back. So it's pretty self-explanatory, and it tells you what mode it's in. So there's a little light there, green, and when it starts recording it turns red. Now this is in orbit mode. And you press the start button.
6 meters, orbit.
And it's just gone red, so it is recording. Okay, as you can see, it's green, so you press the on-off button just very briefly and it'll tell you what mode it's in, and then that will change to red, and that means it's recording. So you press the on-off button just really briefly.
7 meters, bird eye.
It's going into bird eye mode. It's flashing. Off she goes, and as you see, the camera's turned, it's facing down. And down she comes. Put your hand out. It'll look for your hand. And done. Let's try another mode.
Custom.
Custom mode.
Sidetrack.
No, we don't want that just yet.
Hover.
Hover. No.
Zoom out.
Zoom out. We're going to do a zoom out.
9 meters.
It's going to go out 9 meters, and it should change to red to tell you that it's recording. There you go, change to red. So it means it's recording, and it's going to zoom out 9 meters. Put your hand out again. And boom, and then she goes back to green. Follow. I love this mode. So it's going to find me, and then it's going to follow me wherever I go.
Far. Follow.
It's going to go far and follow me. I think it's found you. Okay, we're going to go into follow mode. This is a really cool mode. So you press the button, tells you follow mode, and
Far. Follow.
so it's far. It's going to be far away from me.
Please hold the device to face the user.
Okay, I did something wrong. Press it again.
Far. Follow.
Okay, it's recording. It's turned red. I think you can do these ones. Tell it to stop. I'm pretty sure that's also in there. Tell it to stop, but you might have to put that in as a function.
Orbit.
Orbit. Okay, let's try that. I'll come down here so it doesn't run into anything. Orbit.
6 meters.
6 meters. So when it goes out 6 meters, then it starts to record, which is very cool. It doesn't record as it's going out. So it goes out 6 meters, then it starts to record. As you can see, the red light's back on. It does a full 360. And I think there's 6 meters and 9 meter orbit modes. The video is really good. And she comes back in. There you go. So what do we think about it? We give it a good solid 8 out of 10, eh, babe?
Yeah.
Okay, probably because it's not a perfect thing, because it is expensive. Right, $600 and something we paid for this. But the fun factor is awesome, and we just think it's really, really great. We really love how it's helped us with our videos and stuff like that. It's user friendly. If any advice I'd give, do not put it over water. It does not register water very well, and sand as well. So there's 2 things that you've got to be careful of. Do not put it over water. If it doesn't recognize the ground underneath, it'll just lower itself where it is. And if it's in water, you've ruined it. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the best. That's the Hover X1. We love it. Look out for the next video. Stay happy, stay healthy.